Okay, today is Sunday, April 16th, 2017, and right now at 10 p.m. we have a temperature in the foothills of 56 degrees. The relative humidity is 48%. The barometer is reading 29.95 inches, and we have a dew point of 37 degrees. And right now we're watching the southwest infrared map, and we can see a lot of moisture moving in to Southern California. Unfortunately, there's no rain. There's no precipitation taking place on the Doppler map. And today we had heavy chemtrail aerosol spraying most of the day. There was actually no natural clouds in the skies. It was all the upper level chemtrail haze. And so right about midday, I think it was around 2 o'clock, we had a relative humidity of 25% from all those aerosols being sprayed. Here's the water vapor map. We can see we've got moisture moving in and no precipitation. Let's go take a look right now at the Doppler map, and we can see that there's quite a bit of rain and precipitation right here in the Central California area, but nothing down here in Southern California. So we've got plenty of rain in the Central Valley. Let's go ahead and take a look right now at the western U.S. water vapor map. We can see a frontal system moving in. This is a gale force weather system moving in. The frontal system's moving in. We have rain in Central California. We also have moisture moving in, as I say, into Southern California, but there's no rain because of the heavy aerosol spraying. And we also have another weather system out here. Let's take a look at the surface analysis map right now. And we have a second gale force system taking aim at the west coast right here. This is a 992 millibar gale force system right here, and it's going to hook around and move towards Southern California. This might be Tuesday's rainmaker right here. We've got high pressure up in the Gulf of Alaska, which is for the moment going to maintain that that will prevent this system from moving north, or it'll actually help to steer it right into our area. This low here is going to move out of the way, apparently. We'll keep an eye on that. We've got a low indicated right here, right over, it looks like Nevada, with a trough shown. We've got some cold fronts. We've got high pressure indicated right here, which is indicated to be moving to the northeast. So let's go back to the western U.S. water vapor map. Take a look at what's happening here. We've got a lot of thunderstorm activity over Texas as well. Right here, look at this. Very large weather systems right here. And that is producing some rain in the Texas area. We'll go back to the IntelliCast map here in a few minutes. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. This is the Northeast Pacific water vapor loop. And we can see a transmitter right here focusing energy RF energy right down on top of this gale to prevent it from developing into something much larger. Looks like we've got jet stream flow up right between these two weather systems. And so we've got jet stream flow here. This is all being evaporated. We got this transmitter right in this area, which is evaporating the tail of this moisture field right here. See all that outflow as well from the high pressure they've got installed right down the middle of this system. So they're squashing the system out. And this may bring us some rain on Tuesday. It all depends on the chemtrail spraying operation and how much they saturate our skies with those aerosols. As I said, we had 25% humidity this afternoon around 2 p.m., 2:30. A lot of jet spraying aerosols. And by the way, one of them I observed on the flight radar was a Southwest jet flying from Sacramento to San Diego. So there it is. I'd been watching the radar, flight radar, and these other websites for quite a while. And suddenly now I'm seeing jets fairly often that are marked. and at our commercial airlines. Now, this jet was flying, it's a 737, that's a small jet, flying at 39,000 feet from Sacramento to San Diego. All right, so tomorrow we should expect to see more chemtrail spraying based on the no rain forecast and this pattern of moisture moving right into our area. We've got plenty of moisture right here, and that is moving right in. We should be getting a lot of rain from that, but we can see high pressure. Right now we've got about almost 30 inches on the barometer, and we can see the breakup right here. This is all breaking down. Okay, so that's the report. Let's take a look quickly at the swell report. That gale is generating 20-foot seas right out here. We got 13-foot seas right off Northern California and 6-foot seas right here, 6 and 9-foot seas. We have the SSEC map. Let's take a quick look at that. This is the water vapor map. We can see that gale force system right here moving towards California. And it looks like they're spraying chemtrails. We can see the lines throughout this frontal system right here. This looks like some jet stream flow as well. High speed moving right into California. I don't have the jet stream map up. And once again, here's the telecast Doppler. Let's take a look at Texas. We can see those thunderstorms are generating some heavy rain. Okay, that's the situation, and we'll leave it right here. And we should be getting rain from all that moisture moving in into Southern California right here. It's all breaking down. We've got high pressure right over this area. And we can see the evaporation pattern as this all moves in. The red is staying well above the Vandenberg Air Force Base and Lompoc area right here. Everything else is breaking down in the southern portion of California, right down here. Okay, so that's it. We'll do another update later on.